Hello everyone, welcome to watch our demo video. We created an innovative technology for programmers to do customized analysis and reporting. Our patent-pending PDR technology is using a unified approach to generate tables and reports across different programming platforms and file types. In some cases, we need to list particular information for a topic in a report. For example, list all evaluation scores for a group of patients, or list all product names produced by a manufacturer. We don't know how many rows and pages are in the output. It became even worse if we have many patients or group of products. In this video, we will show you how to generate such dynamic table listings in batch with RepTik analytics solution, and enjoying the freedom to modify the layout, format, and the other contents of the report. We have a cardiovascular disease dataset containing characteristics of different patient IDs. The idea is to list the baseline NYHA score for all patients with age below 65 for different diagnosis groups. First, we created a one-page table shell to output the group name and counts and the individual NYHA score for each patient ID, and output a footnote about the data selection on age. In the R programming, we will use a for loop to output the NYHA score of different groups in a batch. As you can see, we select the patient group with age below 65, output to a TXT file with a group name, and assign the table name lab. We use the RepTik function TXT string to output the group count. Use the RepTik function TXTDFIN to output the patient ID and NYHA scores, also sending a command ls listing to the RepTik PDR program. And use the TXT string again to output the footnote of age condition. Let's run the code. Done. Here we have 3 result files generated in a batch. Each result file will be converted to a separate report. After easily generating the PDR structure in the shell file, we just run the batch listing function of RepTik. So we have 3 reports generated in a batch. The first report with 10 pages of 95 patients, the second report with 2 pages for 14 patients, and the third one with also 2 pages but 15 patients. The process is very simple. You have no need to worry about the number of pages or rows for each report, and you have no need to do any tedious layout and format programming. Now we will show you how to edit the layout, format, and other contents of the shell with freedom. We would like to add background color to the second and last row. We would like to add the source of data, something like SDTM lab. We would like to add the protocol information in the page header and a logo as well. Then adding some folder paths below the table. It seems we still have some space. Let's add 4 more rows to the listing. The updated shell looks like this. Save. In our programming, we simply add the RepTik function txt string to output the protocol information. Let's run the code. So 3 result files were generated in a batch. After simple updating of the PDR structure, we run the batch listing function again. Let's have a look at the reports. So the layout, format, and page header for all the 3 reports were updated. The protocol information was also inserted. The first report now has 7 pages for the same 95 patients, the second report with only 1 page, and the third report remained 2 pages. With RepTik, the process is very simple and efficient. You can save a lot of mental burdens from the tedious layout and format programming, and you waste no time and energy in calculating the number of pages and rows for the different dynamic tables. All you need is focusing on the value-adding analysis and getting the results. Last but not least, our technology is applicable to multiple platforms like SAS, R, Python, SQL, and multiple report file types like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Want to know more about RepTik? Reach out to us.